Somebody asked me, how do you turn on creator mode? How do you add words you talk about, remove words you talk about, then how do you turn off creator mode? Thought I would show you how to do that in this video. So here's an account right here. And if I come down on the profile, if I scroll down here to resources, there's creator mode right there. If I click on this right here, grow your audience with creator mode. So if I come down here and I hit next, I'm turning creator mode on. Now, what I'll need to do is add some topics. That's all I need to do other than simply hit turn on. And I'll get access when I turn it on to LinkedIn Live, audio, newsletter, and the follow link. Turn on. And then I could let my audience know if I want to, or I can just skip that. Now, if I go up top here, hit refresh, you'll see that this account talks about mentoring, leadership, entrepreneurial. And down below, you'll see that if I hit show all resources, I go to creator mode, and there are the topics that this profile talks about. Now, if I want to change these, I can uncheck one of those and I can add another one, finance and economy. And then when I hit save, that'll go away and that'll be replacing it. Now, to turn it off, you come down here, you click on turn off creator mode. Gives you a warning right here, and you turn it off. And now if I go back to the profile, hit refresh, you'll see that talking about is gone, the follow button is gone, and you'll see that creator mode is off. Again, click on this here, click on next, select the topics you want to talk about or change the topics, and turn on. And then skip that, hit refresh, and there's talks about and creator mode is on. Those are the steps of turning on creator mode, choosing your talking topics, and then turning off creator mode. I'm Teddy, your LinkedIn strategist, trainer, and coach. Hope this is helpful for you.